Konyi kondo mwanchi umuri atogotigana nayo na gusika mutuni gongo kumanyuna omukonyi bumurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua nigaenekiribuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigegendete kubika emeroberio asoko enekibuna nichigo kinia sector yobonchereria anene mono ase sector yobosombi aya nigo aenekigwa chingaki omukonyi bumurai bwense arego sioria omuroberio obene gwitera obosombi bwembeo ase kampuni ya Skyward Express yo ekura chinsemo chia Nairobi goika chinsemo chiri ya Kakamega orobotura senchira yo wikiranu.
We want to say that the Kenya Kwanza administration is keen to make it possible to have air transport across the country, to make it easy for people to do business, to open up tourism opportunities, and to enable Kenyans move faster and save time, so that they can use that time for other productive issues in the economy. So I want to say, Skyward, Hongera, this is the way to go. We ask you to partner with the government and open up more routes. And the president has instructed the CS, Mukomen, that at the end of our term, we shall have opened commercial flights to every county or the neighboring counties across Kenya to make it easier for Kenyans to do business, to make it easier for domestic tourism to thrive. I want to urge the people of Western Kenya to make use of this facility, to make sure that this airline grows so that we don't just have one daily flight, we have many flights because there are many opportunities in Western Kenya.
Chingaki aba Kenya bagendete kuyarigania